Hey guys, it's me Angela, and today I'm playing some Fappy Bird. So this is the rip-off of Flappy Bird because I think the Flappy Bird, the original one, got deleted in the Play Store. And this is just a random fact. The color switch one is hidden from the Play Store. So yeah, that's it. Let's go into the video. I hope that your storage is full reminder doesn't pop up again. Okay. You should download this game, guys. It's so cool, like only if your memory is not full. So yeah. Oops. So you can see my best is only 17 because I'm not really good at this game, but this is not my first time because I already downloaded the original one, but I deleted it immediately because I didn't really like it. So yeah, that's why. So a couple of more tries until I get some 5 or something like that, and I will end the video. So yeah. Oops, my mistake. Ooh. Okay. It's now I hope they added a pause button just for us to like play more stable, but without the pause you may play more stable without okay, I want to stop talking. Okay, so let me just play it. Really like what the actual freak. Okay, that's it, guys. I will not make any more attempts because the pop-up always ruined my videos. So yeah.